Alright, shout out to Darlene. I don't know if that's your name, but you know who you are. The potato video will be coming soon. And thank you for your comment. And I also didn't catch the music for that one video I deleted. Can you tell me what it is? Thank you. Wow. Oh my God. You know what? I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Stand up straight.